Kia ora, what's up, what's going on? So one of my followers here on TikTok sent me in his shit station 5 last week. The liquid metal has just come in and I've replaced it, so this video is for you. I'm going to skip taking it apart and putting it back together. I'm going to go straight to the die where I've replaced the actual metal. I've removed the old one and replaced it with the new one. Don't forget that from now on you've got to lie the console down in the horizontal position, not the original vertical, because it'll just do the same thing again and it'll be a waste of time. And of course I'll put a sticker on here, or I'll post it saying which way up. So let's get into this. Cheers. So you can obtain the liquid metal from AliExpress, which I did. Takes about a week to receive it if you're in Aotearoa. I'm going to use the black Q-tip that comes with it to try and spread out the original liquid metal. If it doesn't do that, if it doesn't pull in one area, it means that it's oxidized, as you can see there, and it needs to be cleaned. I'm talking about the dye. So I'm going to use a old syringe and suck it up and extract it onto another piece of metal on the side there that you can't see. You can see there, it's all on the syringe and it sucks it all up. The syringe I'm using is a used one I had used on a previous PS5. See there, it's still not doing anything. It needs to pull in one area, in other words lump in one section. And as you can see from the start there, most of the liquid metal was on one side, which means that it was, I should say, gravity was pulling it down. I had tilted this to the right, I think it was, the camera, so it's in the horizontal position, not the vertical. It's important to remove all of the liquid metal, especially if you're replacing it, and especially if the dye has a lot of oxidation on it, because you're going to need to use the wipes to fully clean it. Because if you try and reapply the liquid metal on the same surface, it's just going to do the same thing. You'll notice the difference once I've cleaned it. Of course, liquid metal is pretty much the same thing as thermal paste. If it's not covering the dye properly, it will start to overheat and shut down the console or send you back to the dashboard. So this is what is causing it. It is usually gravity pulling down on the liquid metal that's in vertical position and it's not covering the dye. I'm going to go in with the wipes. Just give it a good rub. As you can see there, looks really nice and clean. If it doesn't look reflective, that means that the oxidation is still there. You need to keep rubbing it until it's all gone, until you can see pretty much your face in the reflection. I'm going to open up the brand new syringe and apply it. There we go. You can see there, it's all pooling in one area. It's really good. Now we're going to grab one of the black Q-tips and we're going to smooth that out. Try not to push on it too hard. You just want to touch it lightly and just move it around. Spread it out as much as you can. Don't worry about if you can't get around the outsides, because once you press the heatsink on top of it, it will pretty much squash it out a bit more. It's a big difference from what it was to what it is now. So it should look something like this. So that's it, that's all it needs. Now I'm going to bring the heatsink over and plonk it straight on. Do not do it the other way around, because the liquid metal may shift and end up on the sponge, and you don't want that to happen because it's conductive and it may cause a short somewhere. So for this vid, if you want to get yours done, hit me up in the comments. Chat.